Well, no, I'm Duff, and yeah, it's Mustang Day. So, the Mustang, I haven't touched it, I haven't moved anything on the engine really, but I got the trunk open. 7/16, yes, 7, that's half, sorry, 7/16 on my drill. Okay, I had to crawl in and lay on that. Yes, I had to lay on, that's pretty much rat shit, bird shit. I don't know how bird shit get in there, but mouse shit. I didn't have to lay in that, just I was laying on that thing over there. I've somewhat vacuumed out on that side, but found out that I got the much needed, this piece here, the spout, because I could use that. Old jack. That is still stuck in there. Oh my god, just get off, you know? Hey, come on. This will stay with the car, this jack. If I can get it the fuck off. See, it's hooked right there, the side of it. Like, it doesn't make sense. Just get the fuck off, man. It serves you no purpose to be on me. That is a pain in my fucking ass. Because I want this damn tire out here. Maybe if I just open it up a bit. Or open this way. No. Well, the jack don't want to move, which is fine. Okay, I see it there. Take my damn screwdriver. Just screw you. Alright, done. Out. Original jack. I don't know if it actually is original, but it's a jack for a 69 Mustang. Try to keep as much as the parts because the value of the car goes higher. Oh, you got a regular jack now. For retail value, because collectors like things like this. Trying to find these old jack pieces are hard. Okay, and that just comes out and it hooks on there. I screw that back in through there, and so that way I don't lose the bolt or the wing nut. It's a massive wing nut too. Alright. Take that out. Yeah, that's the driver's window. Still can't put that in because I'm missing part of the rail for the front. That is actually something I want somebody to give me a hand finding the front piece. So the front piece, what I'm talking about, is the piece that goes on right here. Okay? See that over there? Now that goes on pretty much, there's a little wheel and that will raise it up. Okay, that's fine. That's what I have. I have the back piece, but I need the front piece. Now, that's not today's job. Today's just, I got the trunk open. Yeah, I had to give it a little bend. I'll keep that gasket. But that's toast. I don't need that. I have a new set. The keys, ignition, and trunk. God, look at how bald that is. Alright. Up that up. There we go. Original gold too. That might actually, I don't know how old this tire is, but let's pull it out. Take a good look at it. Two of those polycords, old Goodyear tire. Huh. Doesn't even tell me a year. I could say it's like 94, and where is it? Right here. Could say something else. I don't know. I don't know how that is, but the gold rim painting is matching to the car. Huh, a tube. Wait, is this a tube tire? Nope, tubeless. Oh fuck. Rail shot. Let me take a look. Saf, get away from that. Come on, stop it. Ooh, I got a chain. Another dipstick for the transmission. Yeah, that's original Ford right there, that symbol. So rusty. I'll keep it and try to clean it up. Like, I'm not going to keep to use it, I'm just going to keep it because, well, I want to see what's on it. Ugh, I don't know why anybody would have that there. Old ass chain. That I'll try to restore. That's kind of fucking cool that I got that. That's cool. I was like, look at that fucking old school hook. Alright, let's check this rail. This rail, it's got a hole here. Yeah. What is this? I have no idea what that is. 69 Mustang aim adapters for use for qualified technicians only. Jeez, and it's still in the fucking package. I wonder how old that is. Because there's the piece for that. Okay. Oh my god. Goddamn hippies had this car. That shag carpet. I don't care if you're a hippie, I'm just bugging. Being a dank. Oh, that's not good at all. I gotta cut all this out and re-weld in new plates. Let's go farther. What is this? What is stopping it? Okay, now I'm doing all this one-handed for you guys. Ugh, yuck. I don't like that in my mouth. Ugh. Okay. Top the gas tank's good. Some piece of board. Gas tank is really rusty on the bottom. It has a dent. What the fuck is that to? I don't know. But now, oh. I gotta put that G on, so I have the G over there. This little G goes up here. I'm not gonna put, see, I don't like that how people badge their own stupid labels in it. They put it in there. I don't know what that is. Go in there for now. But at least now, if I close the, holy shit. Let's see. Oh, it comes up easily. The torsion bars are working. Oh, I can see the rust on that hinge. And a bit on that. You know, lubrication. It's good to go. It has the original caution thing for the 69 Mustang. Okay. That's enough for me. Okay. So, yeah. Really need to find out what I have going on. Fuck. Well, now we know what the issues with the Mustang I have is around that ends. I do have sheet metal somewhere. Oh, right there, right beside the freezer. I was gonna say fridge, then I turned into freezer. Yeah, so I have that, and that'll be what it is. So I'm Duff, middle of nowhere. That's my trunk in the 69 Mustang. Wasn't fun getting into it, but it's nice to have the know the what's in there. Do a little vacuuming, do a little cutting out, and do a little welding. I might have to do like a better than just regular sheet metal there. We'll see. Like always. Or wait. Whoops. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know. Oh, let me know if you have or know of where. So anywhere in like Canada or the US that has the front rail for the driver's side of the driver's side door for the Mustang window. Okay, that rail front piece. I don't care if I have to buy the whole fucking thing. I just need that, mainly that one front piece. Otherwise, I can't get this on the road. And well, come on. That's what the objective is, right? All right. Like always, have a good one. I noticed something. Here's your extra content. These here, okay? I found the other one was still laying in there. Look at this. It matches the lines. So if you look at this here, it's chrome on the outside but black on the inside. It goes and matches the lines with the edging up there. So all this stuff that goes there. So that's what that's for. But the problem is I won't use these because I'm going hardtop look instead of final look. So yeah.